In this video, I'm going to try to repair the sole of a boot with some glue. These boots are still in good shape. The only thing wrong is the soles are starting to fall off. This other one has the same heel problem, but it also has this little area right here. I did about 5 minutes of research on Google, and I found this is supposed to be the best type of glue. E6000 flexible. So I clean the area real good with a toothbrush, get all the debris out, take some isopropyl alcohol, soak a paper towel, and then really get in there, get rid of all the dirt and dust, remnants of the old adhesive, clean it up real good. Okay, I just did the first one. I'm using these pieces of tape to kind of hold it in place. Put a very generous amount of the glue. Push it so it squeezes the glue. Try to get it all over the contact areas. Wipe off any excess. I take these pieces of tape. Now I'll let them dry for about 5 days. Okay, it's 5 days later. Removing the tape. It dries kind of glossy. It seems pretty solid. I'm going to mow the grass and test it out. Okay, I just spent about 40 minutes mowing and weed eating the yard. The seal is still good. So far so good. I'm going to wait 1 month and I'll come back to see if this is durable. Okay, it's 29 days later and the boots have held up really nice. I'm impressed with the glue. It stays flexible, so I would definitely recommend this for fixing shoes. Something else I fixed is this spray bottle. The little plunger thing was torn. It was torn along the edge and it wasn't getting an airtight seal, so I filled it with this glue. And I've used this for a few weeks now and it works perfect.